Hi everyone and welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make a fresh salad with tuna, but with a bit of a special dressing in my opinion. At least this is not a usual dressing that you may have seen or eaten before. So let's start with the ingredients like always. So you're going to need some kind of a lettuce mix, and you can use any kind of lettuce you like. You can use iceberg lettuce, green leaf lettuce. But I prefer this spring mix just because you get different types of lettuces. Of course, they're healthy for you and they're different colors, so they look nice. So this is just a spring mix. You're also going to need some lemon as well as cucumber. You can use any kind of cucumber. This is English cucumber. Also avocado and cherry tomatoes. And I do like to use cherry tomatoes in this recipe as they're more sweet. And also, usually I put in my salad green onion, but today I happened to run out. So today I'm going to use some purple onion. I'm sure it's going to be just as good, but you can try it this way or with the green onion. You're also going to need, of course, some tuna. And this time around, I bought this tuna, and this is tuna in olive oil. So just yellowfin and pure olive oil. So I'm going to use 2 cans for 2 people. I'm trying to make the salad for about 2 people to have as a lunch. Also some regular soy sauce as well as some oil. So I'm using extra virgin olive oil today. Also pepper, all-purpose seasoning, or you can use any kind of salad seasoning you like, as well as some pink Himalayan salt. And the last ingredient that I think makes this salad dressing a little bit interesting is I'm using this Dijon Mustard, and this is like a French mustard, but it has grains in it. So I'm going to use that today as well. So that's all the ingredients, and let's start by making the salad. So the first thing is, like I said, this is just the spring mix, and I do wash it. It says it's triple wash. Sometimes I wash it, sometimes I don't. So just this washed. I already cut up my onions, so let's work on the cucumber. So you just want to cut cucumber into small chunks. Now you can make this salad in separate serving bowls, so 1 bowl for each person. Or you can make it as a big salad so people can take some at the table. So today I'm going to make it like one big salad. So let me show you kind of how I'm going to present mine. So I'm just going to put it here. And since my red onion is already cut up, I'm just going to place it like this into one strip, just like this. And I think that might be enough for this amount of salad. So the next thing I'm going to do is take my cucumber and make a row of cucumbers. Of course, you don't have to do this. This is just a nicer way for presentation of your salad. And of course, at the end, when everybody arrives, you can just add some dressing on top and just mix it. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to half my cherry tomatoes, or you can quarter yours, depending on how big they are. But I'm just going to do half for mine. Okay, so I'm just going to place next row of cherry tomatoes. And of course, when you put a salad like this, try and make that every row has different colors. So don't put 2 green things beside each other. Kind of put different colors beside each other. And the next thing we want to do is just work on the avocado. So you just cut it in half. And you can use a whole one or half, depending how you like. And just cut into chunks as well. And now we're going to place it next to the tomatoes. So next to the red. So the last thing we need to add on our salad is tuna. So I'm just going to open 2 cans of tuna, and I am going to go ahead and drain all the oil from the cans. You don't have to drain this oil. You can actually use this oil as part of your dressing. But I do want to use a different kind of more mild tasting olive oil. So I'm just going to drain this one and use a different one. But also an olive oil. So all I'm going to do is just break it with a fork. So just twist your fork inside to break it into smaller pieces. And then you're going to put this on your salad as well. So just next to the avocado. Okay, so our salad is now ready. So let's work on the dressing for the salad. So let's start with the oil. So we're going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. If you like more dressing, double up the recipe. So for now, I'm gonna try 2 tablespoons of the olive oil, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. You can do 1 to 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. So I do like a full 1 teaspoon. You can also do a quarter to half of a lemon, depending how sour you like your salads to be. So I'm gonna squeeze almost half of the lemon. And let's add some of the spices. So I do add a little bit of salt. Add salt to your liking, to your taste. Some black pepper. And I like to add all-purpose seasoning. You can add any kind of salad seasonings that you like to put on your fresh salads. So I'm just gonna add this one. This is just a mix of dry herbs. Now just mix this dressing really well together. And so the very last thing you do, you can place it like this on a table for your guests next to the salad dressing. And as your guests sit down, just put the dressing over the salad. And then once people decide to eat it, you can mix the salad all together. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pour this dressing kind of all around my salad, just so it's easier to mix afterwards. The salad is now ready. I should also mention that if you like, you can add some dill or fresh parsley to your salad. So let's see up close. So this is just a regular vegetable salad with some lettuce and a bunch of vegetables on top with tuna and a special dressing that you can see at the beginning of the video. So I hope you try and make this salad. We usually enjoy it for lunch. It is an awesome salad. It is filling and it's very, very delicious. And you get a whole bunch of different kind of vegetables and healthy fats. So I hope you enjoyed this recipe and thank you so much for watching. Like always, please consider hitting that subscribe button. I would appreciate that. And I'll see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.